I see it. My memory isn't gone, it's trapped inside this lens.
You cannot take what you have sold, Arjun. That is the policy of this shop.
A policy is a set of rules. But every rule has a loophole.
I realized something. He wasn't a man. He was a collection of everyone else's stolen memories. By taking his photo, I put his identity back into the camera. I have my memory back. I remember my house. I remember the smell of my mom's tea. I am free. I should break this. No one should ever enter that shop again. Wait, why is there a photo of you in here? Have you been to this shop before? Property of RealTalkEnglishDaily Tane? While I try to understand why your face is in this camera, let's learn 5 mystery words. Policy, official rules. Loophole, a small mistake in a rule that allows you to escape it. Engraved, words carved into metal or stone. Collection, a group of similar things.
Trembling, shaking because you are afraid or cold.
The shop is gone, but the camera is still in my hand. There is a button on this camera that says, Restore All.
Should I press it? Be careful. Your memory might be next.